Hey there, it's Camp Life. I was wondering, do you constantly work around software limits? Or what about having to sit on hold with no real help? Do you ever worry about surprise crashes? Well, now you can say goodbye to campsite chaos. Your park can thrive with Camp Life. Your guests will experience smooth stays from booking, throughout their stay, all the way to checkout. Making reservations is simple using the Camp Life grid. Here, check it out. Just click on the check-in date and drag to the checkout date. That's it. Fill in the details your park needs to know, such as arrival and departure dates, equipment information, and guest information. Hit create, and you're done. Sit back and watch your grid and your campground fill up. With Camp Life, you can organize, filter, and prioritize bookings at a glance. Now, we can remember that Molly has a four-legged friend joining her during her stay. Save time in the office by letting guests self-check-in and sign documents from their phone. You can schedule check-in emails to send directly to guests. 3 clicks and they're checked in. Need them to sign a waiver? Or maybe some guidelines? They can do that from their phone too. And it's all conveniently stored in their guest profile for future reference. Have a campground store? Camp Life can help with that. While booking, guests can add on store items or events and activities to the reservation, giving your store a nice boost in sales. Checking out in person? Camp Life makes in-store checkout simple. Just scan or search items, add them to the invoice, and you're done. With events and activities, you can seamlessly promote your campground happenings and sell tickets all in one place. Give your guests another reason to return by showcasing everything your campground offers right on your campground calendar. And as guests sign up, you can watch your events fill up in real time. Staying connected with your guests has never been easier. With SMS texting from Camp Life, you can write a text in real time or simplify future messages by creating a template. With templates, you can include whatever you need, including links. Whether it's a welcome message, events, camp store announcements, or policy reminders, Camp Life has you and your guests covered. Stay organized with Camp Life Pay. Every payment, payout, and dispute all in one place, easy to understand, and designed to keep your campground running smoothly. Get the actionable data you need exactly when you need it. With over 500 reports, Camp Life makes it easy to uncover the insights that matter most to your park. Track performance, spot trends, and make informed decisions with confidence. Schedule reports on your own time and have them delivered straight to your inbox, so you can focus on what matters most. From booking to checkout, your park can thrive with Camp Life. So, what could Camp Life do for your park?